Hi, it's Lou Brown with another one of my 101 ways for real estate investors like you to win, close more deals, and accelerate your cash flow. Today's tip is number 44. Hold your personal property, such as autos, in a personal property trust. So in the last tip I was sharing with you about a thing called land trust. There's another kind of trust that I dearly love called a personal property trust. Now, a personal property trust is a different kind of trust than a land trust. Personal property trust holds, guess what? Personal property. So in other words, a land trust, holds land. So in other words, if it has a legal description attached to it, then that goes into a land trust. A personal property trust, on the other hand, is everything else in your life. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, bank accounts, CDs, CDs, mobile homes, motor homes, gun collections, coin collections, everything else in your life can be held in a personal property trust. How powerful is that? And yes, I said vehicles. Think about the highest liability thing that you probably have in your life. It's that vehicle. And oh my gosh, if you've got teenagers, it's not if but when they're going to have a wreck. And all of a sudden now that can fall back on the parents. And if there's a judgment, everything that you own is literally at risk. Now, am I trying to terrorize you? Absolutely. I want you to understand just how important and powerful that it is that when you own assets in your own name, you are completely at risk in the United States of America. 82,000 lawsuits filed every day in this country. The most litigious society on the planet. 95% of the world's litigation. Something that we should not be proud of. And so the only thing we can really do is to plan in advance and make sure that we can't lose. Now I encourage you to go to streetsmartinvestor.com and click on tools and look at volume 5, personal property trusts. I'd love to share more of my profitable tips with you. How can you get more? Well, simply wherever you've seen this, click on I like it, I love it. I'm going to share this with other people. I would really appreciate that if you would do that. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Yeah, baby.